Nocatee doesn't have to be so expensive. Today I'm showing you my newest listing, just under $675,000 right here in Nocatee next to the Seabrook Village Park. Check it out. Welcome to the Tarpon Floor Plan by Providence Homes, known for their energy efficient homes, foam insulated attics, and of course, lower electrical bills. As soon as I enter this Tarpon Floor Plan, first thing I notice is this wide, grand, open entryway. You've got the luxury vinyl flooring, which is great for pets, kids, of course, lots of traffic, and they stand up really well. This home was built in 2023. It's just under 2,300 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. First bedroom here is on the right. 10-foot ceilings, 2 windows for lots of natural bright light, double door closet, and then of course right outside the bedroom is your guest bath. Coming out of bedroom number 1 down your hallway, first thing you'll notice is a flex room right here to the right. Can be used as an office or an extra playroom. Has French doors to close for little privacy and quiet. Across from the office flex space is your entrance from the garage. You have a little drop zone area, and of course your guest bedroom with its own bath down this hallway. Conveniently centrally located in the home is your laundry space, and then entering in the great room, you have the large open floor plan of this Tarpon by Providence Homes. Not a common floor plan here in Nocatee because Providence Homes was limited on 50-foot lots. That's right, this ranch style 3-3 is on a 50-foot lot, giving you that extra space in the back. But until we get there, check out this big open kitchen floor plan, oversized island with granite countertops. Of course, you're going to enjoy the farmhouse sink and little upgrades like the lighting and the fixtures, all things that you would have to do if you decided to build your own home. And again, one of the big things Providence Homes is really well known for is their oversized walk-in pantries as well. Double door entry to your primary, 2 windows for keeping the master bedroom light and bright with those preserved views on your 50-foot lot. Off the bedroom is your primary bath with a door for privacy in the morning in case one of you is still sleeping and the other's getting up early in the morning. You have a double vanity with granite countertops, white cabinets, and then a large oversized walk-in shower, and of course plenty of spacious master closet as well that gives you also access to the laundry room. The advantage of buying a resale on a newer build like this is you don't have to worry about the things that you don't realize cost so much afterwards, like your screened-in lanai, an additional deck added on to the back, and of course for your furry friends, that fenced-in yard here in the back of the preserve. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. My name is Greg DiTullio. If you're interested for having a private tour of this home, you can go ahead and text me, email me, call me. My information will be in the description below as well as pinned to the comments. And if you want to learn more about the Nocatee area, check out this next video.